everything right. You slept 7 or even 8 hours, you avoided caffeine, you went to bed early, and still, you wake up tired, heavy, foggy. Your eyes are open, but your brain is still asleep. You grab your phone, then coffee, and you're already exhausted before the day even starts. Now here's the weird part. Somewhere in Japan, someone slept the same number of hours as you, but they woke up calm, focused, clear-headed. Same sleep time, very different results. So the question is, what are they doing differently?
Is it genetics? Is it food? Is it some secret tea made from mountain herbs? Not really. In Japan, sleep isn't treated like laziness. It's treated like discipline, a way to reset your mind, prepare your body, and protect your energy. They don't obsess over sleeping more, they focus on sleeping smarter. And today, I'm going to share 5 Japanese sleep habits that turn 6 to 7 hours of sleep into deep, powerful recovery. No expensive mattress, no crazy supplements, just small changes you can try tonight. Because maybe the problem isn't that you're sleeping less, maybe you're just sleeping wrong.
Let me ask you something. Is your room warm at night? In Japan, most bedrooms stay cool, really cool. Studies show many Japanese homes sleep around 13 to 16 degrees Celsius at night. That's way colder than most of us are used to. Why does this matter? Because your brain needs your body temperature to drop about 2 to 3 degrees Fahrenheit to enter deep sleep. When your body cools down, your brain releases melatonin. Your heart rate slows, your muscles relax, and real recovery begins. Sleep expert Matthew Walker explains it simply. A cool room is like a green signal for your brain to shut down. Action step. Tonight, lower your room temperature to around 15 to 18 degrees Celsius. If that's not possible, open a window, use a fan, use lighter blankets. You'll toss less, sleep deeper, and wake up feeling lighter.
Habit 2. Hot bath, cold room. Now here's a Japanese ritual that changes everything. It's called ofuro, a hot evening bath. Almost every night people soak in warm water around 40 degrees Celsius. Not for hygiene, for mental reset. Your muscles loosen, your breathing slows. The stress of school, deadlines, exams, and overthinking melts. But here's the magic part. When you step out of the hot bath, your body temperature drops quickly. That drop sends a powerful signal to your brain. It's time to sleep. Compare this to what we do. Scrolling, bright screens, notifications, drama before bed. You can't force sleep. You have to invite it. Action step? Take a warm shower or bath 1 to 2 hours before bed. No phone, no noise, just calm. Then pair it with a cool room. This combo alone can change your sleep quality completely.
Here's something deeply Japanese and powerful. In Japan, when someone says, "You look tired," it's not an insult. It's a compliment. It means you worked hard. But in our culture, being tired feels like weakness. So what do? More coffee, more scrolling, more pushing. We fight our bodies. Japanese culture treats tiredness as a signal, not a shame. Your body is saying, "Enough, let me recover." And this mindset matters more than you think. Because if you feel guilty for resting, your nervous system never fully relaxes. You might sleep, but you don't recover. So tonight, don't say, "I'm lazy." Say, "I'm human." Rest isn't a reward, it's a requirement. And once your mind permits rest, your body finally follows. Habit 4. Master the mini nap. Ever seen videos of people sleeping at desks in Japan? That's not laziness. It's called inemuri, sleeping while being present. Short naps, 10 to 20 minutes, enough to refresh the brain, not enough to feel groggy. Science backs this up. A 20-minute nap improves focus, memory, and creativity, especially if you're a student. Classes, exams, burnout, procrastination, this is a game changer. Action step. If you're exhausted midday, don't scroll. Close your eyes, breathe slowly, set a 15-minute timer. That's it. Energy should come from rhythm, not caffeine. Habit 5. Tech off, mind on. Be honest. What do you do in bed? Scroll, watch videos, reply to messages. Your bed became an entertainment zone, and blue light blocks melatonin. So even if your body's tired, your brain thinks it's daytime. Japanese sleep culture values tech discipline. No screens before bed. Soft lights. Quiet mind. Action step: go screen-free 1 hour before sleep. Read, stretch, journal, or just sit quietly. If you must use your phone, night mode, low brightness, because your phone can recharge overnight, but you can't unless you unplug first. So here's the truth. It's not about sleeping more hours. It's about sleeping better hours. Cool room, warm bath, respect tiredness, short naps, no screens before bed. You can pick one habit. Could you try it tonight? Tomorrow morning, notice the difference. Clearer head, calmer mind, more energy without extra coffee. And if this helped you, share it with someone who's always tired. Let's stop glorifying burnout and start mastering recovery. Sleep smarter. Wake up stronger. We're leveling up together.